Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, Algebraic expression and identities. Question number 1 of exercise 9.4. Question number 1 have using the identities evaluate the following. First part of question number 1 is square of 104. We need to find the square of 104 by using suitable identities. So let's see how to solve question number 4. Identities you know very well. In this chapters we have 4 identities: whole square of a plus b, whole square of a plus b, and this is equal to what? This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And next identity is second identity, whole square of a minus b. This is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a square minus b square. This is also called difference of 2 square. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Now this fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b. This is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This is a fourth identity. This is first identity, second identity, third identity, and fourth identity. So which identities we used here? So first we can write this part 104. We can write this is equal to 100 plus 4 into whole square. Whole square of 100 plus 4, or you can say 104. Okay. So you can see here this is a here plus a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So you used this first identity here. Which identity is here? We use here first identity. This is clear now. So according to this identity, you can express the 100 plus 4. You can write here 100 plus 4 whole square. According to first identity, we can write it 100 square of 100 plus 2 into 100 into 4 plus whole square of 4. Clear? So here we use first identity. What is first identity? This is whole square of a plus b. This is the first identity. This is equal to what? This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you compare it, then you get a is equal to 100 and b is equal to what? 4. This is clear? So here you put value a equal, the value of a is 100, a is whole square, the value of b is 4. Clear? Now and here 2ab, a is 100, b is 4. This is clear now. So the next step will be here you can write square of 100 means what? You can write here how many 0 here? 2 0. So square of this is equal to 4 0. Okay, now after this becomes 2 into 100, 200 plus 4, 800 plus square of 4 in a variable is equal to 16. Now add them. If you add them, then you get 16801. This is equal to 1. This is equal to what? Square of 4. Okay. So square of 104 is equal to 10,816. This is clear. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next part of these questions. Next part is we need to find the square of 98. Okay. In second form, this is given. We need to find square of 98. this is second form. We need to find square of 98. Okay, so here we write 98 is equal to what? 100 minus 2, this is 98 whole square. This is clear now. So you know very well the second identity. What is second identity? Second identity is that a whole square of a minus b, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is clear. After this we compare this and this, then we get a is equal to what? 100 and b is equal to 2. So according to second identity we can express it. So a b whole square of a minus 2 a minus b, this is equal to a square minus 2ab minus plus b square. So you can write here this is equal to a square means square of 100, okay, minus 2ab, 2 into a is 100 and b is 2. This is clear now. Plus b square, so plus b is 2, so बचेगा here square of 2. This is clear. So you can simplify it. Square of 100 is 10,000. You write here square of 100 is 10,000. Okay. Now minus we write as it is 2 into 100, 200, 200 into 2. This is equal to what? 400. Plus what? This is equal to 2 to the 4. Square of 2. This is equal to what? 4. This is clear now. So if you subtract them, then you get here 0, 0. Here it becomes 6 minus 4. Sorry, this becomes 10. 10 minus 4. Here you get 6, and this becomes 9. Okay. Plus 4. This is equal to what? This is equal to 9,604. So student, in this way you can see here, for the square of 100 minus 2, this is equal to 9,604, or you can say here, this is a square of 98, this is equal to 9,604. Here we find the square of 98 by using the suitable identities. Okay, you can also find like this. If you direct multiply it 98 into 98, then you get same result. But here question told us that find the evaluate it by suitable identities. So here which identity we used here? Here we used this identity, whole square of a minus b. You can see here whole square of a minus b. This is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss the second part of this question, the third part of this question. Third part is that 194 into 206. We need to find, you need to evaluate it by suitable identities. I repeat this question again. Using the identities, evaluate the followings. The third part of this question is that 194 into 206. So let's see how to evaluate the third part. Now question number 1. Now this is the question number 1, part 3rd. Okay. Now 194 into 206. Clear? 194 into 206. This is a question. We need to evaluate it. You can say simplify it by using the suitable identities. This is clear. So you can write it like this. This is equal to, you can write 200 minus 6. This becomes 194 into, this is 206, you can write it 200 plus 6. Okay, so here you can see this questions, you remember that this is like this a plus b into a minus b, this is equal to what? This is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, also you can write it a minus b into a plus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. Both way are correct. This is clear now. So student, you can say here that if you compare this part to this part, then you get a is equal to 200 and b is equal to what? 6. So here you can see 200 minus 6, 200 plus 6. A minus b, a plus b. This is equal to what? This is equal to a square minus b square. So it means that 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6. This is equal to 200 square minus 6 square. This is clear now. So we can write it like this by using, this is third identity. You write here 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6. This is equal to, by using third identity, we can write it like this, square of 200 minus square of 6. Okay, so this is equal to square of 200 means 2 to the 4, 40,000. Okay, minus square of 6 means 36. Clear? Now, if you subtract them, then you get 194 into 206. This is equal to subtraction of this. So subtract it, then you get here this 36. This is becomes 10. This is 0 becomes 10. So it becomes 4. Now this is 9 and this is 3. We subtract 3 from 9, then you get here 6. This is 9 and this is again 9 and this is 4. It becomes 3. So you can see here we get 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6. Okay, or you can see this is equal to this 194 into 206. This is equal to 39,964. Okay, this is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now the next part of this question is that evaluate by suitable identities whole square of 983 minus square of 70. So let's see how to solve this question. Now the next part is fourth part of question number 1. This is a fourth part. This is given. We need to evaluate it. 983 whole square minus square of 70. Square of 983 minus square of 70. We need to evaluate it by using suitable identities. Okay. So which identity is here? This is square minus. So you can say this is a difference of 2 square. So I hope all of you remember this identity number 3, a square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is clear. If you compare this, then you get a is equal to what? A is equal to 983 and b is equal to a pencil 70. So according to this identity, you can write like this: 983 square minus square of 17. This is equal to first times the 983 plus 983 plus 17 in second bracket 983 minus 70. Clear? So if you add them, then you get here 1000. Okay, this becomes 1000 into, if you subtract here, then you get, this is 3 minus 7, 7 minus 3, this is equal to 13 minus 7, 6, and here it is 8. Now it becomes 7, 7 minus 1, again 6, and 9. If you multiply them, then you get 9, 6, 6, 0, 0, 0. It means that it's become 96,600. Okay, so student, you can see the square of 983 minus 17, this is equal to 96,600. Sorry, this becomes 9,66,000. Okay, this becomes 9,66,000. This is clear, student. I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 2 of this exercise. Let's see what have been question number 2. Question number 2 है, if x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3, evaluate x square plus 1 upon x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So let's see how to solve these questions. Okay, now, so I hope all of you understood question number 1 is part. Now in question number 2, this is given. This is a question number 2 first. Okay, this is question number 2. This is given x plus 1 by x, this is equal to 3. Okay, x by 1 by x, this is given. Okay, now we need to find, this is minus, again we write here x minus 1 by x, this is equal to 3, this is given. We need to find x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 1, and again we need to find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, this is equal to what? Clear? Now, so for this we use here, this is x minus 1 upon x is equal to 9. We need to find the x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to what? So first here we apply the second identity. What is the second identity? Second identity is whole square of a minus b. This is equal to a plus b. This is equal to a square minus plus b square plus 2ab. So let's see. So here we squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay, so here we squaring both sides, we get x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to square of 3. This is clear. Now, so that you can see here, this is just form of whole square of a minus b. So then this is equal to x square minus 2 into ab x into 1 upon x plus whole square b is equal to square of 3 is 9. This is clear. So you can cancel them. Okay, then here we get x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to what? 9. Or you can see again, this becomes x square plus 1 by x square, this is equal to 11. 9, if you transposing this to the right side, then it will become 5 to 9 plus 2, this is equal to 11. Okay, so students, in this way you can see here x square plus 1 by x square, this is equal to 11. Now this is a one part here, so you can see we find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to 11. Now we need to solve x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4, this is equal to what? So for this we again squaring both sides. We again squaring both sides for this. Okay, now so here this is x square plus 1 upon x square and this is equal to 11. We get, if you squaring both sides, then we get squaring both sides. Okay, we get, so it becomes x square plus 1 by x square whole square and square of 11. So this is equal to square of x square, this is equal to square of x power x to the power 4, okay, plus 2, again it's become 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 121. Clear? Square of 11 is 121. So here you can see this becomes x power 4 1 upon x power 4. Why it's become 2? Because 2ab is equal to what? 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. So x square into 1 upon x square, it will be cancelled and we will get 1. So 2 into 1, this becomes 1. So here we get 2. So we write here directly 2. So okay. So whole square of x square plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to, you can write x power 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to square of 11 is 121. Now if you transposing to right hand side, then you find it becomes minus. So if you subtract 121 from 2, then you get 119. So you can see here, you can write here and that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, this is equal to 190. This is clear? So I hope all of you understood these questions. So here you can write 190. This is the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Suppose you need to find the x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8 if x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3 is given. So again here we squaring both sides and we get x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8 is equal to square of 119 minus 2. This is clear now. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss third question of this exercise. Okay, so let's see what have been third questions. So first we read second question, then we discuss here third question. Okay, now so question number 3 of this exercise. Okay, now so here what have been question number 3. Let's see. Question number 3, this is given here and that x square plus 1 upon x square is 18. This is given here. X square plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to 18. This is given. Okay, so here we need to find x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. Let's see. We need to find x, the value of x plus 1 upon x. What? And again x minus 1 by x is equal to what? We need to find these values. Okay. So student, this is given. We can subtract 2 from both sides or 8 from 2 both sides. Okay. So if you add or subtract same quantity in both sides, if in any equation, then the equation have no changes. Okay. So here obtaining the value of x plus 1 upon x, we solve, we add both sides 2. Okay, so let's see, x square plus 1 upon x square, we add here 2 and here again 18 plus 2. This is clear now. So here also you can write it x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. You can multiply x and divide 1 by x. Clear? And here you get what? You get here 20. 18 plus 2. This becomes what? This becomes 20. Clear? Now after this, you can see this is form of what? This is form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to, you can write whole square of a plus b. Whole square of a plus b. So according to this identity, this is the first identity, so you can write it. This is the whole square of x plus 1 by x. This is equal to 20. Clear? Now, if you take square root both sides, then you get here x plus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus root 20. Clear? How to solve square root? You know very well. In chapter 6 we studied. Okay. Now, so you can write here, if you take the positive value, then we get x upon x plus 1 upon x. This is equal to 2 into root 5. Clear? This is the value of x upon 1 plus x. Now, so here you can write here the value of x plus 1 upon x. This is equal to 2 under root 5. We need to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Okay. So for this, again we subtracting, because you can see this is here minus sign and here plus sign. So we add to both sides, but here minus sign. So we subtract 2 from both sides. Okay. So here we subtract 2 from both sides. We can write here x square I is plus 1 upon x square I is minus 2 is equal to 18 minus 2. Okay, if you subtract same quantity from any equation, the value of equation does not change. Okay, now, so you can also write it x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to what? 16. Okay, so you can see here this is a form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so this is, this is the second identity. This is equal to, you can write here what? You can write here whole square of a minus b. This is the whole square of a minus b. Okay, so you can see a square plus b square minus 2ab. Student, here you know very well x into 1 upon x. You can cancel it, it become only 1. So here we write x upon 1 upon x, it will be cancelled. Then we get here 2 into 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 you get here 2, because here you have 2. Now, so you can write here, and this becomes x minus 1 by x whole square x minus 1 by x. This is equal to 16, or you can write here x minus 1 by x. This is equal to plus minus root 16 if you are taking square root both sides. Okay, now, or you can write here if you take. And how to find square root, you know very well. So this is equal to x minus 1 upon x is equal to 4. Plus minus 4, or you simply write 4 into 10 5 to sign. This is clear? So student, you can see, you find the value of x plus 1, x plus 1 upon x, and x minus 1 upon x, when x square plus 1 upon x square is given. Now, so I hope all of you understood these questions. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.